So in this video I'm going to show you how to recalibrate the Cigar Oasis. In this case I'm using the Cigar Oasis Plus, but it's the same process for any of the 4 models. Before you recalibrate the unit, make sure that you're comparing it to a trusted digital hygrometer. Out of the box they do come pre-calibrated. Sometimes they need a little bit of adjusting, and sometimes they go out of calibration over the years. So regardless of why, make sure that you're comparing it to a trusted hygrometer and then determine how much you need to recalibrate it by. These all can be calibrated anywhere from plus to minus up to 9%. So say I determined that my Cigar Oasis is reading 5% too high when I compare it to my digital hygrometer. So what I'm going to do is, very simply, and this is on the manual as well, if you want to follow along on a manual, you'll hold this circle and the up arrow together for about a few seconds. And here I already just did this, so it's already, but you can go up or down. Right, and just, it's a very soft touch buttons. So in this case, I'm going -5. So again, you see the U, and you can go up or down as much as 9%. I did it -5, and then I'll just go ahead. It takes a couple seconds, and then it automatically goes back to the home screen, or you can hold the circle and the up to return to the regular screen. And that's how you recalibrate it. If you have any other further questions, feel free to call us or contact us on social media, and that's how you recalibrate any of the Cigar Oasis humidifiers from the 3.0 line. Thanks.